YouTube people, what's good? Today we have another review coming at you. This time it's from Fansidea, and it's a custom jersey. I already opened it because I got too excited to check it out. Didn't even want to wait around for you. But anyway, let's open this puppy together. So what we did before we bring it out first, I guess, see, I'm too excited still, is we did a custom jersey. So we uploaded custom artwork through like a PDF. The process was super easy. And this is going to be size extra large. We will try it on as well. So without further ado, let's unveil it. There we go. That's right, people. We have a hockey jersey with a Viking beaver on it. Take it in. So you will notice that it is packaged nicely. It does have like a cardboard backer on it, folded nicely, just like at the shop. And we have like a little zip Mylar bag type of situation for us. Let's go ahead and unfold this guy, see what it looks like. Look at that little fly over there. The Womp Rats, people. So came up with the fictitious team name and logo. Thought that looked pretty fun. Sounded fun. So it's kind of like some Americana colors to it. We'll go ahead and flip it over, and it's got like a little patriotic number as well on the back situation. You can go ahead and also add numbers up into the shoulders. You can add a captain patch as well on the front. Let's go ahead and flip it over. And on the back, you see we've got the 23, the stars and the stripes. Little patriotic addition there. So there's the back of it. Let's go ahead and put this puppy on, see how it feels. And behold, the Womp Rats jersey being worn. So it feels pretty good. Here's the back of it. Like the number, that's pretty cool. Yeah, the length feels good. The size feels pretty good. And I do have like a button-up shirt on underneath it as well. So I'd say overall, you know, the extra large is pretty true to size. And it feels great, man. Ready for like a hockey fight, you know? So we're taking a look at the number here, number 2. And yeah, we got some stitched on numbers. Not ironed, but stitched. Yep, them numbers are stitched in. Look at that. Logo, stitched in too. So some of you may be saying, Pat, all this is great. What we really care about, we want to know how much this sucker weighs. Let's find out together. 14.8 ounces for a custom Womp Rats hockey jersey. Fansidea style. All right, I'm going to have to say that this custom jersey from Fansidea is a 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100. This is a definite would recommend. And remember, they have baseball jerseys. You can have palm trees on those things. They got football jerseys, hockey jerseys. They got it all. Soccer jerseys. The list goes on. Custom numbers, custom names, custom teams. Check out Fansidea. Link below, people. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. And until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.